Hi, this is Dr. Ray Milazzo again from the Chiropractic Wellness Center, and we're continuing our conversation about disc bulging. And I have two examples of a segment of the spine, two vertebrae, and a disc in between. Would you rather have this be your spinal segment or this one, this nice healthy one? This one is all dried out, and you can see the bones are starting to squeeze together. And this one is nice and healthy and beautiful, and it's got a nice healthy disc in there. So this is a nice healthy tire for your body. And remember, there's 23 discs which separate the 24 bones of your spine. Now when your discs thin out and they dry out, they become weaker. And when they weaken, the tread can give way and you can wind up with disc bulges. And you can see that right there is the nerve, so you don't want the disc coming onto the nerve. That can cause sciatica down your leg. That can cause other terrible back pain problems. And since 70% of our weight comes down on our back, we got to make sure that we have this type of disc versus that type of disc. We talked to you about an exercise in our last video about doing 25 twists a day to keep your discs hydrated. Remember, the average person sits for 14 hours a day. That dries up your disc because your discs don't get a blood supply anymore. They rely on you moving to stay healthy. Another good exercise is getting down on your hands and knees and arching your back down. We call that the cat-cow. And that will result in moving these vertebrae down in your lower back so you can stay nice and healthy. Also very important that you keep your spine in good alignment so you stay well adjusted so you can prevent these disc herniations. And another thing is our decompression service here that we have at Chiropractic, opening up the spine and allowing these disc material to stay where it's supposed to be. And we have some hydraulic helps with our table where we can open these things up and allow these to go back in. So it's a very common problem. Many millions of people suffering from back pain and disc bulges. Very preventable if we take a little care of our spine through exercise and chiropractic. This is Dr. Ray Milazzo, and we look forward to seeing you next time talking more about preventing disc bulges.